I'm Stephanie Hansen from stephaniesdish.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make the viral sensation that everybody's talking about, the Kemp's cottage cheese flatbread. Cottage cheese, super high in protein, 14 grams for a half cup, and apparently it works to make like a flatbread for a roll-up or a sandwich, so let's just get into it. I've got a cup of full-fat cottage cheese here, and I use the Kemp's brand. I'm gonna put 2 eggs in a mixer. This is my little Cuisinart mixer. I'm also gonna put a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna reserve half a teaspoon of oregano that I'm gonna put in after everything's all blended up. All right, so let's just get this attached. And I have put a parchment paper down on a baking sheet, and I have my oven preheating to 350. So let's get this blended up. When I watch people do it, it has the consistency where they pour it. This looks like it's a little thicker than that. I don't know, there's so many variables, right? Cottage cheese, how dry it is, how wet it is, how big your eggs are. I've got everything smoothed out here. All right, it looks like I can probably pour it. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put cooking spray on my parchment paper. That rubbed all the way around. And when you pour this on your sheet pan, you're going to pour it in like a rectangle. So let's see what we got. My consistency feels thick, like maybe thicker than I've seen in some of the videos that I watched, but we are going to test it out. So you put it on a pan in like a rectangle. People use this to make flatbreads. I've also seen it where they add a couple tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and actually make like a pizza crust out of it, which sounds like it could be pretty good. I really hope that this is delicious because I'm always looking for fun new ways to save calories, carbs, you know. I eat for a living, so when I can, I try to be conscientious. Okay, this looks like it's gonna be pretty good. Got it in a nice rectangle shape. All right. It's gonna go in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. I've also seen like wildly different cooking temperatures. So I'm hoping that the one from the Kemp's website is reliable. I know they do a lot of testing with their recipes. I'm sure it is. Give a little of our oregano, Italian flavoring situation here. And go ahead and put it in the oven. 40 minutes. I'm gonna check it. The temperature says 45, so I'm gonna check it at 40. All right, here we go. Okay, this is the cottage cheese wrap. Now I read that you wanna wait for a few minutes before you pull it off the parchment paper, just to give it a little time to set up. So we'll go ahead and take this off the hot pan. And here it is. It's pretty interesting. It's pliable. It smells kind of bready. Looks like it's sticking a little bit here. Get a little spatula. It's definitely like a flatbread. It's pretty bread-like. Feels like you could cut it into like half and make like a wrap sandwich, or you could cut it into quarters or do like just a roll up. It's a little more soggier in the middle. Not like soggy, but it's a little softer. Softer is the word, not soggy. All right, so that is the cottage cheese flatbread. I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off a little bit before I try and roll it into a sandwich, and I'll let you know how it goes. You can find this recipe actually at Kemps.com. I did not make this recipe. This is a Kemps recipe, but I did want to try it. And I think it is definitely something that would be worth trying for you. I can definitely see putting some pizza sauce on here, some cheese, some pepperoni. Should be good. You can follow me on Substack at Stephanie's Dish, and you can follow me on all the socials at Stephanie's Dish as well. Thanks for watching.